Morning students, welcome back to the CS department. We know that we were dealing with the third chapter, and in that we were stuck at a point where we could not subtract the binary numbers if the number is bigger, like the first number is smaller than the second number. Means if we get the difference in minus, in negative, how to do that? We did not know. Okay, the borrowing method we have already seen. In that borrowing method, we could only do the subtraction where the first number is bigger and the second number is smaller. Okay, but now we have seen two methods of representing the negative integers. Which were those two methods? One is 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay, we know how to find out the 1's complement, isn't it? Have you please don't forget them. Okay, see, this is 1110. If this is the number, what is the 1's complement of this? How did we write? Just interchange 1's with zeros and zeros with 1's, isn't it? It's like 0 0 0 1. Am I right? Now you remember this. Okay, using this 1's complement method, we are able to subtract two numbers. Okay, subtract two numbers. Fine. Two what type of numbers? Binary numbers, correct? Okay, now there are two cases. If you are subtracting two numbers, there will be two cases. One is first number is bigger and second number is smaller, or first number is smaller, second number is bigger. Two cases arise, correct? So we subtract two numbers using 1's complement using two cases now. Okay, this is first case when minuend is greater than subtrahend. What is minuend? See, if you are see 23 minus 15 you are doing. Okay, in this, which is minuend? This first number is minuend. Okay, which is subtrahend? Second number is subtrahend, correct? So when minuend is greater than subtrahend, see 23 is greater than 15, isn't it? This is one case. We get normal result like 8. Okay, positive number we get. Okay, case 2 will be when minuend is smaller than subtrahend. That we will see later. Okay, first case is minuend is greater than subtrahend. How to do the subtraction using 1's complement? Here are the steps. Please pause the video here and write down the steps, and next while going to example you can start it again. Okay, let me just once explain these steps. Take 1's complement of subtrahend. First step, subtrahend is there, no? First you have to convert them to binary. That is fixed. You need not tell it in the steps. That is understood. Why? 1's complement is only for the binary numbers, not for the decimal numbers, isn't it? So first, when the two numbers are given, you have to convert it to binary. That is fixed rule. Later, the first step is take 1's complement of subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend will be there, means second number. Take 1's complement of it. Then what to do? Add it to the minuend. Okay, 1's complement result what you get, you have to add back it to the minuend. Okay. Third step, end around carry is generated. One carry will be generated. Okay, when you add the 1's complement of subtrahend to the minuend, a carry will be generated, and that carry is called as end around carry, EAC. Okay, add EAC back to LSB to get the final difference. Last step. Okay, what EAC will be generated, you have to add back to the LSB and get the final difference. Now in example you will be understanding this. Okay, so take the first example. They will give the questions like, see, try to understand the questions. Subtract 15 from 23. The question will be like this. Subtract 15 from 23 using 1's complement. Okay. Now 15 from 23 doesn't mean that 15 minus 23. Subtracting 15 from 23. Please try to understand that. Means 23 is there. 15 you are subtracting from 23. That means it is 23 minus 15. Okay. Many of the people go wrong here itself. They will not directly give like do 23 minus 15. They will not give like that. They will give it like subtract 15 from 23. Then what you do? You just do 15 minus 23. That is wrong. What you have to do? Already 23 is there. From that you have to subtract 15. So 23 minus 15 you have to do. This is the question. Okay. Now, how to do it? Stepwise we have to go on solving. Okay. First thing is what? Take 1's complement of subtrahend. Okay. Write it. 23 minus 15. Isn't it? Which is minuend? 23 is minuend. And subtrahend is 15. Am I right? First you have to take the ones, to take the ones complement of subtrahend, first you have to convert them to what? To binary, isn't it? First, that is the step. So let us convert them both to binary. Okay, how to convert? Factorize with 2. 11 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder, right? 5 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. 2 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. Then 1, 0. Is that correct? So 23 will be equal to, you have to take the reminders from downwards, correct? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Am I right? This is 23. Then 15, please do it fast. Correct? So 15 is 1, 1, 1, 1. Am I right? It is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, what we have to do? Now, please understand an important note here. There is an important note, that is, see, equalize the lengths. Understand this. What do you mean by equalizing the length? What is the length of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, only 4 digits are there. Okay. Equalizing the length means what? When minuend is of 5 digits, subtrahend should also be of 5 digits. How to make it 5 digits now? If you add 0 to the left side, it doesn't change any value, isn't it? So 0 has to be added. See, this is very important step. If you forget this, equalizing the length, if you forget, what do you get? You get 0, 0, 0, 0. When you take 1's complement of that, you get 0, 0, 0, 0. If you add it, you will not get the result at all, isn't it? It is very important to equalize the lengths first and then go on for the subtracting. Okay. So don't forget this step. Fine. Okay. Now we have equalized the lengths. So both are of 5 digits. So shall we start the subtraction now? Step 1. See. What is the step 1? Take 1's complement of subtrahend. Okay. So 1's complement of subtrahend. What is 1's complement of subtrahend? Where is subtrahend? This is subtrahend, isn't it? 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1's complement of this will be what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Am I right? 0 is converted to 1. All the 1's are converted to 0. That is 1's complement of subtrahend. Correct? Then step 2. What is step 2? Add it to the minuend. So minuend is here. You have to add them both. Okay. You know the binary addition already, isn't it? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Am I right? You have to add them both. Yes. What do you get? 1. Am I right? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1. Yes. What is 1 plus 1? You get carry as 1, sum as 0, isn't it? Please take back the binary addition. Okay. You will understand this. So 1 is written. Correct? 1 is written. What is the third step? EAC, end around carry, is generated, isn't it? A carry is generated. Now that we call it as EAC. This is the third step. Okay. End around carry is generated. Fine. Whenever you subtract a smaller number from a bigger number using 1's complement method, always this EAC has to be generated. If it is not generated, understand that you have gone wrong somewhere. You have to do it from the first. Okay, this should be generated when the minuend is greater than subtrahend and when you are doing ones complement method. Okay, fine. So EAC is generated. What is the fourth step? Add EAC back to LSB to get the final difference. Okay, what is LSB? This is LSB, isn't it? This is MSB and this is LSB. You have to add it back to LSB. End around carry is there. Take it to LSB and add, and that gets the final difference. So what is final difference? Final difference is equal to, yes, add them both. 1 plus 1, correct? 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. 1 plus 1, 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 as it is. This has already come here, correct? Don't consider this EAC now. Okay, this has already come here. This has gone. Only this part you have to consider and add the EAC to it. And what answer did you get? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the difference of 23 and 15. So final difference is equal to, so the answer is 1, 0, 0, 0. Like this you have to write at the last. Okay, so you have, from a bigger number you are subtracting a smaller number using ones complement. Step 1, you are taking ones complement of the subtrahend. Okay, before this you have found out the binary of both, binary equivalents of both. Okay, and you have equalized the lengths, correct? Then ones complement of subtrahend you have taken. You have added this to minuend. Okay, and then in step 3 end around carry was generated. You are taking back it to LSB and adding to get the final difference. Okay, this is the thing. Now students, let us go to the second example. Okay, subtract 89 from 90. You already know the answer. 90 minus 89, what will be the answer? 1. You have to get the answer, correct? Fine. So 90 minus 89, 89 from 90 it is asked, isn't it? So 90 minus 89 means minuend is greater than subtrahend, case 1, correct? Now these are the binary equivalents, so you have to find it on your own. Okay, you already know how to find the binary number, so I have skipped this part. Okay, you please find out the 90 and 89 binary equivalents. Okay, pause the video, do that, and then let us start it again. Fine. So let us go to the steps. Now equalize the lengths, you have to not forget that. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So both are of 7 digits, no need to equalize. They already are equal, correct? So directly we have to start with the steps. Take ones complement of the subtrahend. Okay, ones complement of subtrahend. Yes means subtrahend. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 is the ones complement. Am I right? See, ones complement of what? Subtrahend. Where is subtrahend? This is subtrahend. Ones complement means 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Am I right? So this is ones complement of subtrahend. Then what is step 2? Add that to the minuend. Okay, so here is the minuend. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. What you are adding? The ones complement of the subtrahend you have got, no? That you have to add to minuend. Okay, so this one and this one I am adding. Understanding? Okay, add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. Am I right? 1 plus 1 it is. So 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. Again 1 plus 1. 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. Again 1 plus 1. 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. Again 1 plus 1. Correct? 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. Again it is 1 plus 1. 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. Am I right? Again 1 plus 1 it is. So again 1 is the carry and 0 is the sum. And you get 1 as what? Third step. You are getting it as EAC. Correct? 1 is, you have got it as EAC, end around carry. So third step is generated. Fourth, add EAC back to LSB. Correct? this has to come and has to be added here back to the LSB to get what? To get final answer, final difference. Answer is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. Rest all are what? 0. Correct? How many zeros you add? The answer will be what? When you are adding zeros to the left side, it doesn't make any difference. The answer will be what? Always 1. So answer is equal to 1. Am I right? So 90 minus 89, you do the binary and you subtract it using 1's complement, you get the answer as 1 only. This is the method. Did you understand? Subtraction using 1's complement. In that first case, when minuend is greater than subtrahend. Okay, please take some assignments here. Yes, subtract, please write, subtract 65 from 87. Okay, means 65 from 87 means what? 87 minus 65 you have to do. Am I right? So minuend is greater than subtrahend. Same method you have to follow and tell me the answer. Okay, send me the answers. Then second one, subtract 598. Okay, 598 from 786. Okay, 786. So these are the two assignments you have to submit. Now the case 2. What is the case 2? When minuend is less than subtrahend. This is same, subtraction using 1's complement only. We have not gone to the next step. Using 2's complement we are not doing. You have to take 1's complement only. The method is same. But minuend is less than subtrahend. That means like 55, okay, minus 78. What to do? 55 minus 78. How to do this? Normally, how do you do that? You do 78 minus 55 and put a negative sign to it, isn't it? Normally in maths, when such questions are asked, you do it from the bigger number to the smaller number you do. Okay, 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 5, 2, and just put a negative sign at the last. Minus 23 is the answer, isn't it? Now the same has to be done using what? Using binary numbers. Okay, when minuend is lesser than the subtrahend. Means from smaller number you are subtracting a bigger number. That is the meaning. Okay, now see the steps. Almost the steps are similar. Okay, only at the last it will change. Find 1's complement of subtrahend. You know how to do that. Add this to the minuend. This is also same. There will be no carry. In the first case, there was EAC generated, end around carry generated. But here, there will be no carry. And the last step is recomplement the answer and put a negative sign to get the final difference. Recomplement means whatever answer you have got, again take 1's complement of that. Recomplement means whatever answer you have got here in the third step, take 1's complement of that and put a negative sign. Very important, because minuend is lesser than the subtrahend. Means from smaller number you are subtracting larger number. So you have to get a negative integer, isn't it? So put a negative sign to get the final difference. Is it? Okay, understood. So can we take some values? Fine. Subtract. Take the examples first. You can pause the video and note down the steps first and then continue. Okay. Subtract 65 from, yes, subtract 65 from, it is, okay, from 55. Okay, 65 from 55 means you have to do 55 minus 65, isn't it? 65 has to be subtracted from 55. Means now what? This is your minuend, this is your subtrahend. Minuend is lesser than the subtrahend. 55 minus 65, normally what answer should you get? Minus 10, isn't it? Minus 10 is the answer you have to get. Okay, now first step, do the what? Do the binary equivalence of that. Okay, find, factorize and find the binary equivalence of both. Fine. Okay, so it is 55. What it will be? Yes, 27, correct? Go on doing that. 27. Then 13. Am I right? 1 is the carry. Then 2 6 are 12. 1 is the carry. Then 2 3s are 6 0. 2 1s are 2 1. So the binary equivalent of 55 will be 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Am I right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 digits are there here. Fine. Try to find the subtrahend. Now, sorry, 32 and 1 is the carry. So 16 0. Am I right? 8 0. Correct. Then 4 0 2 0 1 0. So the answer is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Correct? So write that. 65 is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Am I right? See, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros have to be there in the middle. That's right. Equalize the lengths you have to do, isn't it? Means here this is smaller number. So add 0 to it. Equalizing the lengths. Don't forget that. Okay, fine. So having found out the binary equivalents of both the numbers, you have to start following the steps. So step 1. What is the step 1? Take 1's complement of subtrahend. Which is subtrahend? 65 is my subtrahend. Take 1's complement of that. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is that right? Please cross verify. 1 is 0. 5 zeros, so 5 ones. Again 1, that is 0. Is that correct? So it is 1's complement of subtrahend. Then step 2, add this to minuend, isn't it? So minuend you take 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is minuend. You have to add this to here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? 5 ones and a 0. Okay. You have to add this. So what is the third step? There will be no carry. You have to check. The carry will not be generated here. Okay. So let us see. 1 plus 0. 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 is the carry and 0 is the sum. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This you have not come across. Please remember. Always 1 plus 1 plus 1. If this is the case. Okay. Then sum is also 1. Carry is also 1. Please remember this. Okay. Normally 1 plus 1 you do 1 0. But here it is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So sum will also be 1. Carry will also be 1. You have to remember this. Okay. So sum will also be 1. Carry will also be 1. Okay. Now it is 1 plus 1. 1 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 as the carry and 1 as the sum. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 as the carry, 1 as the sum. 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. See, is there any end around carry generated? No, it is over. So addition is over. No carry is not generated at the last step. So this is third step. There will be no carry. Okay. What is the last step now? Recomplement the answer and put negative sign to get the final difference. Recomplement the answer. So you have to complement this. Means 1's complement of answer. This answer you have got, no? To find the final difference, 1's complement of this you have to do. What is that? 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Am I right? 1 1 1. So 0 0 0. 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Yes, it is correct, isn't it? So recomplement the answer and put negative sign. If you miss this negative sign, 1 mark gone. Okay, this is a 3 mark question, sometimes asked for 5 marks also. If you miss this negative sign, 1 mark will be gone. Okay, so the final answer, what is the final answer now? Minus, you have to neglect these zeros, isn't it? They don't have any value. Minus 1 0 1 0. This is the answer. Did you understand that? So first step, 1's complement of the subtrahend. Second, add it to the minuend. there will not be any carry generated. Whatever answer you get, take again the ones complement of this and put a negative sign and you will get the final difference. This is the case. Now students, subtract 62 from 24. This is the second sum. Okay, means 62 is a bigger number. From 24 you are subtracting it. So minuend is lesser than subtrahend. So now this comes in case 2. Am I right? Okay. So you have to find out the binary equivalence of that. That is the assignment for you. Please do it at home. 24 you have to convert it to binary. This will be the answer. 62 you have to convert it into binary. This will be the answer. So equalize the lengths. So I am writing an extra 0 here. Okay. So starting with the steps. Step 1. Take ones complement of subtrahend. Correct? So ones complement of subtrahend. Which is the subtrahend? 62. Correct? What will be the ones complement of that? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Am I right? 5 ones are there. So 5 zeros and last 1. Correct? Fine. What is the step 2? Add that to minuend. What is my minuend? 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay? And add this to minuend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1. Okay, add this. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0, 0. So see the third step. Is there a carry generated? No, there will be no carry. So no carry is generated. What is the last step? Recomplement the answer and get the final difference. So what will be the complement of this? The complement will be 1, correct? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Am I right? See, 0 is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1 is 0. So you have recomplemented the answer and put negative sign to get the final difference. So put a negative sign. So what will be the answer? Minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is the final answer. So just take the assignments at the last. Subtract 72 from 66. Means this is the number 66 minus 72 you have to do. Means minuend is lesser than the subtrahend. Case 2. Okay. Similarly, subtract 108 from 54. If you do this, you will be perfect in subtraction using ones complement. In that also, case 1 was minuend was greater than subtrahend and case 2 is minuend is lesser than subtrahend. So please do these and send the assignments. Now in the next video, we will be finding subtraction using 2's complement. Okay, thank you.